Are you looking for the easiest way to make money online? A simple method that could generate you up to $25 for just 15 minutes of work. Well, in today's video, I will share with you a strategy to make money online that everyone can use. You don't need any technical skills or experience to make it work. This strategy requires the use of two separate platforms that I will explain to you today, along with the usual tips and tricks to help you double up your profit. I will also share with you a free tool that will do most of the work on your behalf. You can start making $10 per operation, which would roughly take 10 minutes of your time at first. Then the earnings will go up as you gain experience. At the end, you will be able to make a passive income using a smart strategy, which I will reveal at the end. Sounds good, right? That's not all. This strategy doesn't require any upfront investment. It's free. Like all strategies we share on this channel. Stay till the end, as I will share with you a secret tip on how to transform this method into a passive cash machine. So make sure to pay close attention to every part of the video and keep on watching until the end. Because if you skip any section, you might be confused and miss out on how to properly use the tool, and you might even end up wasting your time. The first platform we will be using today is Freelancercom. I am sure some of you are already familiar with this one. Well, it's a marketplace where employers and employees can find each other. This platform has more than 50 million users. Just think about it. It's a legit and trustworthy website that has been around since 2009. And it's trusted by many big corporates, such as Amazon, Google, NASA, and IBM. When a strategy relies on platforms like these, you know it's a solid long-term method, and you have it right. But wait, would you need to know how to code or build a website to use this strategy? Not at all. Keep watching to know why. This is going to be a super exciting one. Make sure to watch it till the end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more methods on how to make money online. Before we reveal the entire strategy, we need to create a freelancer account. Just click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner. The process is super easy, and we can also use our Facebook account to sign up. You can pick a username, then choose I want to work. That's pretty much it. Your account is all set. You can choose some of the skills you can provide on this platform, if you want to. Services such as website development, writing content, data entry, and so on. You will be receiving a job alert if someone is looking for a freelancer with your skills. If you're not sure about it, no worries. Keep watching and you will find the solution. Alright, we are almost done with the first website. Let's move on to the second one. But before anything else, I'm Michelle, and this is the Miss Finance channel, where we share with you the latest strategies on how to make money online. We try new strategies every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It's always encouraging to see our family growing. The second website is Gurucom, which is an extremely comparable platform to Freelancer.com. It's less known for sure. That means less competition. This platform has already paid $250 to its 800,000 registered freelancers. The platform offers the same services as Freelancer.com, and the rest is pretty much the same. So why are we using two similar platforms? That's simply because we want more exposure and more profit. You can also join Fiverr.com and other microservice platforms. But at this stage, Freelancer and Gurucom are more than enough. We will be using Fiverr for another interesting purpose, which I will share with you at the end. Before we reveal the strategy, make sure to create your account on Gurucom. The process is simple and easy. Just click on Sign Up and follow the steps. Just one piece of advice. Always avoid using your social media account when you're creating an account with another platform. Your account might be inaccessible if somehow you lose access to your social media account. It's better to just use your email instead. Freelancer and Guru are nearly identical, but if you decide to use them both, you will have the ability to maximize your earning potential and increase your chances of getting the first order, which will change your life for sure. If you go to Gurucom and look for a graphic designer to hire, you will notice that customers are paying a lot of money for their services. These are some of the freelancers who are charging up to $25 for a simple design service. So how much money can we make if we do the same? You might tell me, oh, you're not a graphic designer. That's fine. I will teach you how to create outstanding graphic designs for free and sell them for $25 or even more from both platforms. The website is Snappa.com. You can use it to create online graphics in a snap. It's a drag and drop platform that will help you whip up graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more. Just click on Get Started. You will be invited to sign up, which will take less than 10 seconds to complete. Once connected, you will see all the different graphics that you could make, including social media posts, blogging, and even display ads. Well, I want you to click on YouTube thumbnail as it's one of the most popular graphic designs at the moment. And it's a long-term opportunity, as you will be working with YouTubers who are always looking for engaging thumbnails to buy. Scroll a little bit down and search for the one you find attractive. Let's take this one for example. You will be taken to the studio where you can fully edit it. You can change the background, colors, text, and even add some effect to the design. You can customize every single thing on this template. You can change this to subscribe to Miss Finance or whatever your customer wants you to add. You can also add some cool graphics, such as emojis, photos, and even upload your own. The possibilities are endless. It won't take you more than 5 minutes to complete designing the thumbnail. You can even reuse a template for other projects in the future. Once done, you can download the high-resolution version for absolutely free and send it over to your customer. A well-designed thumbnail usually costs at least $10 on different platforms. You can ask your friends to hire you and give you positive feedback. Once you gain many good reviews, you will be able to get more orders. At this stage, you can hire someone from Fiverr to do the work on your behalf. And guess what? You have just created a new passive income stream. If you've made it to this stage, give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section how much money you would like to make from the internet. And by the way, our family is growing every day. So if you haven't joined us yet, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.